Happy Thursday, everyone, and thanks for tuning in to WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at the National Coast to Coast forecast, which today is brought to you by Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating Solutions. Stop beating yourself up over energy costs and discover comfort without compromise. And you can learn more at MitsubishiComfort.com. Of course, we have colder air heading into the lower 48, so check it out. Probably going to want that nice new heat in the house. Also, of course, when it is warm, that big cool down. All right, where's winter? Yes, indeed. A lot of folks asking that question nationwide. Well, here in North America, it was locked up across the Arctic and out near Alaska. But this is some video out near Stockholm, and they too in Europe are getting whacked with winter. Heavy snowfall, very cold temperatures. Probably heard about some of the happenings out in Europe along with that winter weather season so far out near Germany. But here for us, we've been dealing with record highs. That finally coming to an end as you're seeing some cooler air, but still quite mild for this time of the year. In fact, those temperatures are still running above average for many. And now starting to see things warm up just a little bit in Alaska. Typically, we have that inverse. When Alaska is cold, we are warm, and vice versa. Now, as we start to cool down, Alaska will warm up. Temperatures are still a little bit above average out there today. Some scattered light rain showers in Florida and also across the Northeast. But here's our first little impulse of energy bringing with it that colder air. First, you have a warm-up 24-hour temperature change map showing readings nearly 30 degrees warmer this morning than this time yesterday. And that's because we had some scattered rain showers pushing on through December 6th, and we're talking rain that far north. Back to the west, though, several impulses of energy still riding in from the Pacific, and that is going to be bringing with it several precipitation chances. So over the next 5 days, we're going to be adding up precipitation amounts in inches. In the highest elevations, it will be in the form of snowfall. You can see the peaks here in the red and almost somewhat of that pinkish color that would indicate maybe 1 to 2 feet of snow still through the next 5 days. But notice how we're starting to see that snowfall potential ride through the high elevations, or I should say the upper Midwest. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings continue, even winter storm watches through northern Idaho into the next couple of days. Here's the ECMWF 1 week out, and that too is still suggesting the potential of some snow to the upper Midwest and the high elevations, of course, back to the northwest. But along with these systems, talking some rainfall potential, and that rainfall potential could be accompanied by thunder in the Ohio and Tennessee Valley come late weekend and early next week. We'll have to keep you up to date on that, but several inches of precip are possible with that system as well.